Welcome to User and I, the channel where I explore all things UX and UI design, and today I'm back with another redesign for my confidence building journaling platform Fable. So what's happened is that I've changed some features, I've added a few features, and I've realised on the landing page I'm not doing it any justice. It doesn't look nice, it doesn't scream about it enough, it's not communicative enough. So what I'm doing is that I'm going through that, changing things, I'm making things look a bit nicer. I'm trying to pull out these benefits so users really understand the value they're getting from a platform like this. So I've added journaling prompts for those of you who may stare at a blank page and think, what the hell am I going to write? I don't remember any of my wins. That's what these journaling prompts are going to help you resolve. These journaling prompts are worded as questions, so you can just respond with an answer. And the second one is, there's just some things you want to scream about. This feature here allows you to share your wins across Twitter and LinkedIn whenever you feel like you want to celebrate just a little bit more. Here I'm choosing from an icon library called SWM Icons. And of course, we do love auto layout. There we go, that header area of the actual achievement looking really clean, really simple. This little component I'm making here is pretty much what it's going to look like after you click that button. There are going to be social media icons in there, I just didn't add them on this time. A little repositioning. Who doesn't love a bit of drop shadow? Perfect. On to feature number 3. So have you ever had a fantastic moment, or maybe you've done something or you've seen something that you've done and you're like, that should be a picture? Well, that's what this third feature is all about. You go about your life, you do something amazing, it might be at work, it might be with your friends, and you guys take a group photo. Why not have that in your journal? Why not look back at that achievement and bring back all the emotions you felt on that day? Your achievements shouldn't just be words, you know, they can be pictures. So I originally tried the image here. Maybe I was thinking, oh, I've moved into a new house, but that's not entirely relatable to everyone. So I thought, let's go with fitness instead. Whether you're going to the gym or whether you're doing yoga, you've had some sort of event that makes you feel like you're back in a positive routine. So that's why I went with this one. And of course, in every journal entry, I am encouraging you to write down how you felt, because it's important to capture the emotion of that event, just so you can look back on it later. I mean, just looking at the comparison, it's just so much better already. And of course, last but not least, what's a journal entry without categories? We've all got different areas in our life that we want to keep track of, that we want to do better in, and it's important to be able to track these, and I'm allowing you to do that by adding categories. Every journal entry can have a category, you can have as many as you like, and these give you an overview of just which areas in your life that you're doing the best at, and also which areas of your life that you want to do better at. So here we are, just giving it a final look through, zooming in, zooming out, getting a full view of what the page looks like. And if you want to build your self-confidence, if you want to improve your positive thinking, definitely get onto fable.co. That's FAYBL.co and start journaling.